How to fix screen overlay error on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device. Click on the search button at the top right corner of your screen. In here, simply search display over apps. Click on display over other apps. After that, click on display over other apps again. After you've clicked on display over other apps again, in here you'll find different apps. Click on the app you don't use and turn it off. And if you want to turn it on, you can simply click on the app and turn on allow display over other apps, and make sure the circle is on the right side if you want to turn it on, and make sure it's on the left side if you want to turn it off. This is how to fix screen overlay error on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.